Good news, Southeast! Palapit na ng palapit ang train stations dito. Starting Saturday, November 16, the 5 new stations of the LRT-1 Cavite Extension will be open to the public. The new end of the line is now Dr. Santos Station in Parañaque.
Ang Dr. Santos Station ay actually nasa likod lang ng SM Sukat. So, kasama ito sa 5 station na binuksan under the first phase of the LRT-1 Cavite Extension.
May 3 stations pang in the works, so don't worry. Aabot talaga ng Cavite ito. President Bongbong Marcos, Transportation Secretary Jaime Bautista, and other government officials inaugurated the new stations and went on a test ride. From Dr. Santos Station, fares start at 15 pesos. Kung balak mo namang bumaba na sa dulo, 45 pesos sa Fernando Poe Jr. Station. There's a bit of excitement since this is the first railway project completed under the administration. And well, matagal nang in the works ito. Ang travel namin from Dr. Santos to Redemptorist Asiana Station took about 9 minutes. Travel time from Parañaque to Quezon City will be reduced by an hour. Daw. The new stations will also help serve 80,000 new passengers. Hindi kami pinababa per station, pero dahil open na naman, if you have photos or kwento, download the Rappler app, join the Livable Cities chat, and share with us your experience.